Now, your Storm Track 3 weather rate forecast.
Well, we saw a few showers work their way through north central Kansas earlier this morning, but right now, clear and dry skies are the main story. Our next boundary is approaching into the northwestern portion of the state that could fire up some storms later on this evening, but right now, the main focus for today is going to be the heat. Temperatures already warming up across the Sunflower State, most of us reaching into those upper 90s already. 97 in Hutch, 95 in Hayes, 93 up in Colby, 92 over in Garden City. So we plan on heading out to the polls this afternoon. Pack a water with you, because if you have to wait outside, it is going to be warm. Highs expected to reach into the triple digits today, over 100 degrees for most of us, 103, and then falling overnight into the 70s. So Odin here from Wichita has the right idea with the baseball cap to make sure he's protecting himself from the sun. Also applying the sunscreen would be good today on top of staying hydrated. So you have to take your dog on a walk, maybe do it in the later afternoon and evening hours, because 103 degrees means our asphalt is going to be very warm, and if it's too hot for your hands, it's going to be too hot for your furry friends' paws. Temperatures remain warm over the next several days. Heat advisories are in place for a large portion of the state that go until 8 p.m. tomorrow evening for most of us. That means our feels like temperature is closer towards 105, 108 degrees rather than our actual air temperature. And that's with the humidity factored in as well. As we head into the next several hours, temperature is expected to climb, but also rain chances trying to work their way in more so towards the northwestern portion of the state this evening. Here's about 8 p.m. seeing a few isolated, very scattered showers. Those will start to work their way east across the state as we head into the overnight. Following along that boundary, you can see where our winds behind that system pull out of the northwest, that cooler weather direction. So we see a very slight cool down, a return to the 90s. But rain chances inch in as we head towards the morning hours, pushing their way east as we head towards the afternoon. Wednesday evening, we could see some redevelopment here in the more south central portion of the state that could pack a punch with some stronger storms mixed in there as well. Not widespread showers expected. Isolated showers and thunderstorms are going to be the main story tomorrow evening as those rain showers push out. Not really having much effect on our temperatures because winds come right back out of the south as we look towards Thursday. So temperatures take a bit of a dip, but really not much, as sunshine will be the main story for the later half of the week. We do have a marginal risk in place for the portions of south central Kansas as we look towards tomorrow. That means any storms that form could produce some strong winds and even some large hail mixed in there as well. Now with our brief cool down, we're expecting to see temperatures go from the triple digits back into the 90s. Unfortunately for Thursday, that's really the only relief we get. Then we rebound right back into the 100-degree mark as we approach the weekend, staying nice and toasty into the beginning of next week. We are definitely in the dog days of summer. We'll continue to see these warmer temperatures over the next several days. In fact, here in Wichita, we are expecting to see 103 for the next 2 days. Rain chances building in for Wednesday, and then our temperature is starting to cool off just a bit as we head towards the middle of the week, rebounding back into the weekend. For those in the other portions of the state, especially for north central Kansas, rain chances expected tomorrow. Temperatures back into the triple digits by the weekend. Then falling into the mid-90s by Sunday as we have another system approaching from the northwest. Southwest Kansas staying warmer much longer and seeing the least amount of rain chances across the state. Overnight lows only falling into the low 70s, so not much relief expected overnight as well. Make sure you're watering your plants in the morning because they're definitely going to need it as we head into the week ahead. Temperatures in northwestern Kansas staying warm today. Rain chance expected this afternoon with that boundary pushing through. Temperatures falling into the mid-90s tomorrow, but rebounding back into the triple digits for Friday and Saturday. We'll be back with more news after the break.